I'm out and about again today at Alley Park and have come to what us outdoor educators refer to as Rock 17 because it's near the number 17 trail marker. Laura oftentimes calls it the Story Rock. And you know, there is so much history and so much that's going on with some of these Blackhand sandstone outcroppings here at Alley Park and all around this area. If you look, you see some of the cracks and things that it's kind of come apart through the years. Some of that has to do with like trees like this that have grown, and I don't know if you can see the roots there coming down through the rock and produces a crack there. We have what's called honeycombing happening over here, that as it weathers through the years, it freezes, it thaws, it freezes, it thaws, it rains, and all that kind of things washes out some of the minerals and makes that honeycomb-like look there at the rock. You're going to see some moss growing on the rock. And also with that moss, you're going to see what's called lichen that grows on the moss, also grows a lot on trees. It mixed with that sandstone, and that produces a soil that then, of course, when a seed from a tree falls onto that rock and that soil, it will plant itself, and then we have a tree growing up. Some of the ridges along the rock that you see kind of goes along with the waves that when Ohio was under a warm water, that it kind of forms some of those waves on the rock. I don't know, it's just very cool to look at some of these. And then the nooks and the crannies that are made, oftentimes animals will come and they'll hide kind of in some of these little crannies, like, you know, the big one right there would probably be big enough for like a squirrel or something to come along. Some of the littler ones, you know, tend to have like lots of little spiders and smaller animals like that live in them. So from Rock 17, or also known as the Story Rock, this is Nature Tales.